This is a guided walkthrough for the Belen level, otherwise known as level number 48, from the Venus CTF labs from HackMyVM.eu. So the first thing we need to do to start any one of these levels is to read the mission.txt file over here. So we see here that this is mission number 48, and it says it seems that Belen has stolen the password of the user Leona. Okay, so what do we see in this directory? We've got the stolen.txt file over here, and if we take a look at that stolen.txt file, this is a password hash. So we can tell that this is a password hash by this symbol right here. This is the password hash for the Leona user, and this is the value of the hash right here. So there are a few different ways we could crack this hash. I think what we're going to be doing is the first thing we need to do is we need to identify what kind of hash this is. So what we're going to do is we're just going to ask our friendly AI friend, and they might be able to identify what kind of hash this is. So let me just ask our AI friend. So it says that the hash is an MD5 based crypt, commonly known as MD5 crypt hash. And the reason we know this is because of this symbol right here at the beginning of the hash. So $1 indicates that this is MD5 based crypt hash. So this is the salt used for the hash, which is the name Leona. And what we're going to do is we're going to use John the Ripper to crack this hash. So we're going to go ahead and go back to Kali Linux over here, and we're going to create a file out of this. So we're just going to echo we're going to echo something into leona.hash, and it's going to be the value of the hash right here. So after we've done that, we're just going to use John the Ripper over here. And John the Ripper is a hash cracking program. Whenever we use John the Ripper, we need to provide it a word list to compare the hash against. In this case, it's going to be rocku.txt, which contains about 14 million common passwords. And we're going to run it against the leona.hash. But specifically, we need to provide a format for these hashes. And the format is going to be MD5 crypt, which is what was identified from ChatGPT. So we're going to run this, and it's going to try to, well, that was very fast. That was incredibly fast. Okay, so the reason why this came back so fast is probably because the word freedom is near the top of the list for rocku.txt. But anyways, this is the password for the next level. We can actually confirm this by we just copy this, and then we can try to log in to the next level as the Leona user, and then paste in that password, and we're logged in. So obviously that was the password. Okay, so everybody, that was that was a little easier than I thought it would be. But anyways, let's write up our after action report over at github.com. So that is over here. Okay, so in this case, the target user was the Leona user, and the method of solve for this level was we needed to identify a password hash type and then crack the hash using a password cracking program. And the key commands for this level were this John the Ripper command right over here. Okay, so let's commit those changes. All right, so everybody, that was a guided walkthrough for the Belen level, otherwise known as level number 48, from the Venus CTF Labs on hackmyvm.eu. If you enjoyed this guided walkthrough, please click on the like and subscribe buttons below the video and leave a comment under the video. But until next time, HackerFrogs out!
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.